Hi! Today, we're going to explore an exciting and thought-provoking topic, the future of work. As technology advances, industries evolve, and societal shifts occur, the nature of work is undergoing a transformation. In this video, we'll delve into how work will change in the future, the key trends shaping the workplace, and how individuals can adapt and thrive in this new era. So, let's jump in. 1. Automation and artificial intelligence. One of the most significant shifts in the future of work is the rise of automation and artificial intelligence, AI. As technology continues to advance, routine and repetitive tasks will be automated, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. Embrace this change by developing skills that complement automation, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. 2. Remote work and digital connectivity. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of remote work, and it is likely to remain a prevalent trend in the future. Remote work offers flexibility and allows individuals to work from anywhere. Embrace digital connectivity tools and platforms that enable effective collaboration, communication, and project management in a remote work environment. 3. Gig economy and freelancing. The gig economy and freelancing are on the rise, giving individuals the opportunity to have more control over their work and pursue diverse projects. Embrace the gig economy by developing a strong personal brand, cultivating a network, and continuously updating your skills to remain competitive in a market driven by independent work. 4. Upskilling and lifelong learning. In the future of work, continuous upskilling and lifelong learning will be essential. Embrace a growth mindset and commit to lifelong learning to stay relevant and adaptable in a rapidly changing landscape. Seek out online courses, workshops, and mentorship programs to acquire new skills and stay ahead of the curve. 5. Remote collaboration and virtual teams. With remote work becoming more prevalent, remote collaboration and virtual teams will be the norm. Embrace virtual collaboration tools and platforms that facilitate seamless communication, project management, and teamwork. Cultivate strong virtual communication skills and adapt to working effectively with colleagues across different time zones and cultures. 6. Emphasis on soft skills. As automation takes over routine tasks, soft skills will become increasingly valuable. Skills like communication, empathy, creativity, and adaptability will be highly sought after. Invest in developing your soft skills to differentiate yourself and thrive in the future of work where human interaction and emotional intelligence are crucial. 7. Purpose-driven work. The future of work will place a greater emphasis on purpose and meaningful work. Individuals will seek opportunities that align with their values and contribute to a greater cause. Explore work that has a positive impact on society and find ways to align your skills and passions with purpose-driven organizations. 8. Work-life integration. The line between work and personal life will continue to blur in the future. Embrace work-life integration, finding ways to balance your personal and professional priorities. Set boundaries, practice self-care, and prioritize your well-being to maintain a healthy and fulfilling work-life integration. 9. Remote learning and virtual training. In the future, learning and training will increasingly shift to remote and virtual formats. Embrace remote learning platforms, online courses, and virtual training programs to acquire new knowledge and skills. Take advantage of the flexibility and accessibility that remote learning offers to continuously develop yourself professionally. Congratulations! You now have a glimpse into the future of work and the exciting changes that lie ahead. Embrace automation and AI, adapt to remote work and digital connectivity, explore the gig economy, prioritize upskilling and lifelong learning, embrace remote collaboration, cultivate soft skills, seek purpose-driven work, integrate work and personal life, and leverage remote learning opportunities. By embracing these trends and developing the necessary skills, you can position yourself for success and thrive in the new era of work. Thank you for watching, and may you navigate the future of work with confidence and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Online Warrior Club.